Dear students, this session will help you to write a test based on the short story A Deed of Bravery written by Jim Corbett. It will help you to check for yourself how much you have understood this particular lesson. Now the first set of questions is to write the answers in a word, a phrase or a sentence. First question is, what is the profession of Narva and Hariya? Second one, whom does the tiger attack? Third one, who administered first aid to Hariya? Fourth question, who rescues Narva from the ferocious tiger? Now when you are answering these questions, remember that these questions carry 1 mark each in your final exam. So your answers should be very precise. Don't write descriptive answers for these questions. The next one is a question where you write a long answer for a page and a half. The question is, discuss the short story A Deed of Bravery as a tale of courage. Now your answer will take care of the entire story. So your answer will be around 1.5 pages. Next is language component. Under this, first one is punctuation. Remember the commonly used punctuation marks which we had discussed in one of the sessions on language components, and try to recall those and make use of them appropriately in the following sentences. First one, we had a great time in France. The kids really enjoyed. Second one, Ramesh said, I am coming tomorrow. Third one, did you write well in the exam? Now after this is framing questions. Now before answering these questions, remember that there are two kinds of questions which can be framed. First one is WH question. The other one is yes/no question. Now in a sentence, if you find underlined word, then you will have to frame WH question. Otherwise, yes/no question. Now the first sentence given to you is, the factory workers have gone on strike. The factory workers are underlined here. So frame a question so as to get the underlined words as answer. Second sentence, the team is visiting Paris. Convert into yes/no question. Third one, the young doctor emigrated to Canada. The word Canada is underlined and you have to frame a question to get the underlined word as the answer. Now the next topic is use of negatives. Remember the 3 negative words in English: no, never, not. So if you have a negative sentence, remove one of these words to make it a positive sentence. Positive sentence can be either affirmative or assertive. Now if you are given a positive sentence, to make it negative, add one of these words. The first sentence given here is, I like to read science fiction. Convert into negative sentence. Second one, put the books in the packing case. Convert into negative sentence. Third one, our team played well yesterday. Convert into negative sentence. Next topic is linkers. Now linkers are nothing but conjunctions, as you have seen in the previous session. Now linkers are given below within brackets. You will have to choose the correct linker and fill in the blanks given. The first sentence given is, everybody had heard of Einstein. Dash hardly anyone could understand his theory of relativity. Second sentence, she was a great singer. Dash accomplished dancer. Third one, we could not go on a picnic. Dash it rained the whole day. Now after answering this, if you have the textbook in front of you, it would be more helpful because you will have a reading comprehension, that is a passage for you to read and answer the questions which follow. So you can include for this test what is given in your textbook. All the best. Thank you very much.